Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver now trading at a level of $32.5480. Okay, and chances of going further upside we can see, because see, if we look at this particular trend, there is a continuous upside we have seen from 2 weeks. Okay, after making a half around $33, it came down, now trading at a level of $32.5480. okay, and suppose if the price keep moving above this level, we can see there is an up. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above this level, probability of moving upside we can see above a level of 34.5, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside movement will be there. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, 32.4, this is the zone. If the price started going below this level, chance of touching 31.4 we can see, and once started falling below this level, we can see it will touch a level of $30.6. okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see below a level of 30, and then it can touch a level of 29.5 to a level of further downfall. Okay, remember something, that the dollar index plays an important role. See, dollar index plays an important role, as well as what we have seen, CPI data, PPI data, okay, central banks, okay, as well as the Fed policies. Okay, these plays an important role in the movement of the silver as well as gold, even other crude and natural gas. So suppose if the dollar index started going upside, we see the silver price comes down. Okay, because they are inversely related. Okay, dollar index is inversely related to silver also, gold also, crude and natural gas also. If the dollar index started going down, we see the silver price goes up, gold goes up, natural gas goes up, and as well as crude goes up. Now I'll show you a dollar index how it is moving, then you will understand clearly how it is. Okay, suppose if the price started falling below a level of $32.3, we can see the price can come down again towards a level of around 31.6, and from there it can move towards 30. Explain you that the price we have seen is in the month of 2022, so chances can be high a further downfall we can see, because there is a zone breakout we have seen in the dollar index, so chances are high it can go towards a level of around 97.8, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 96.9 we can see. Suppose if started going below that level, chance of touching 95.2 will be there, and if the price started falling below this level, we can see a level of 94.7, and from there a further fall we can see towards $93.7. okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see. But suppose if the price started going above this level, we can see from this level a bounce back can come, and if started going above this level, it can touch a level of 100.3, from there a bounce back can come, and if started going above this level, we can see a level of $102.3, from there also a bounce back can come. But if that didn't sustain, a further upside we can see towards a level of, and then to a level of 106, and if the price moving over this level, a further upside we can see. Okay, but if it started falling below this level, a further fall we can see, as I have already explained you. Now coming back on the silver price, what we can see, as I've already explained you, that the silver price now trading at a level of $32.540. so if that sustain, probability of going towards 32.8 we can see, and if the price moving above this level, probability of touching 33 we can see. Once the price moving over a level of 33, because this 33 is already being tested, chances are high the price can touch a level of around 33.15. okay, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards $33.48. okay, and once the price moving over that particular level, chance of touching 33.78 will be there, and if price moving over that level, we can see a level of 32.12 to a level of 34.6, and then to a level of 34.8. Suppose if the price moving over this level, then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside movement we can see towards a level of around 35. Suppose if the price started going above a level of 35, probability of touching a level of 35.6 after crossing a level of 35, and from there a further upside we can show $35.69 to a level of further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, see, because market is uncertain, you have to understand that suppose if the price started going below this particular level, chance of touching 32.4 is there. If the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching 31.7. If the price falling below a level of 31.7, chance of touching a level of 31.5. and if the price started going below this level, we can see a level of $31. Okay, and if it started going below this level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $29.8, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 29.2 we can see, and from there a further fall we can see towards $29. Suppose if the price started going below this level, a further fall will be there. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. And understand something, that if you are looking for a longer view, we can see there is a positive sign that the price of silver can go. If you are trading, you have to understand the price you are. If you are trading on a 15-minute chart or a 1 hour chart, see that there is a good volatility and that there is a rise in the price. But if you're looking longer view for around 1 or 2 year or 5 years, then there is a probability that we can see a further upside movement in the price of silver as well as gold. Okay, understand it is your hard-earned money, so you have to understand, you have to define your risk, target and SL. Okay, in the movement of less volatility, you can reduce your SL, okay, as well as target. But when the volatility is high, you have to reduce the quantity to half, target your SL. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,